Nature. It touches every part of our lives. From forests to oceans and everything in between, nature plays a critical but often overlooked role.
I think reefs, I would like to describe it almost like as backbone ecosystem for the communities. It's really what connects us to the environment and what puts food on the table, what puts money in our pockets as well.
Ayores ne importante ato reduz rehalai no mudança climática.
Sea grapes have also given kaikai and place for stop for Orketanara marine species. Hem sabe clean sea and reduce coastal erosion.
But in a changing climate, we can't take those systems and all the benefits they provide for granted. Using the tools already provided by nature, we can implement actions that protect, restore, and manage the functionality and health of those ecosystems, making them more climate resilient. These are nature-based solutions.
What we do is we identify corals that are more resilient in heat water. Then we put them in nurseries. We grow these more heat-adapted corals, and then we plant them, which is putting them back out onto the natural reefs in a cooler area.
Ante ami treinamento ne oin sa kuda ay oang oin sa taumul sa oin sa tau ay marang kuda lina kuda metro do sabrakana kuda metro tolu.
Communities belum mifala putting together management plans and rules where mifala sabe follow so that mifala sabe garem na enough supply lo sea grapes lo future.
At the same time, these actions generate a range of benefits, from enhancing local livelihoods and diversifying income streams to helping communities better adapt and respond to climate shocks. This makes nature our greatest ally in building resilience.
Corals have been growing much larger in doing better against the heat. We've also noticed more fish around the nursery and around the reef generally.
Beneficio ne dami hetay agrofloresta kami kuda ay uoy o manukuik barak mayona ihang amlatos. Aywan ni dami kuda tinan lima mai bele paona ami paambalum bele konjum balum.
Sea grapes have one fala product where I'm really helping our community people, long community belonging. This one have one fala food and also have income for sustainability of community belonging.
The bottom line is, when nature thrives, communities do too. Climate Resilient by Nature, an Australian government initiative in partnership with WWF-Australia, is advancing high-integrity, equitable, nature-based solutions to climate change in the Indo Pacific. Embracing traditional and local knowledge is a critical part of this to ensure solutions are inclusive and just for communities and nature. So far, more than 13,000 people in 160 communities are engaged in nature-based solutions. Conservation, protection or restoration activities are underway across 43,000 hectares of land and seascapes. And over 6,000 people across 138 communities are engaged in nature-based livelihoods, including aquaculture, environmental management and agriculture production. A climate-resilient future is within reach. But for this vision to flourish, we need to scale up and amplify solutions. With continued investment, collaboration and support, together we can deliver even greater benefits for climate, communities and nature. Join us on this journey. Visit climateresilientbynature.com to learn more.